I'm looking for somebody I can call, boo. Looking for the only one who I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you. Tell me if it's you. Said you can be my teacher, I do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I do more work.
All right, guys, we have a bombshell sponsor. I would like to thank UNice Hair for sponsoring today's video. So guys, our friends over at UNice Hair sent over another gorgeous unit, but I want y'all to see how they package their units first. Y'all look at how pretty this is. Oh wow, wait a minute, girl, what else did they send us? Hold on, what is this? Oh my gosh, y'all, they sent us a robe. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. Y'all look. I'm about to put this on now. Yes, ma'am. I'm feeling exclusive and expensive in my UNice robe. This is how your unit is gonna come. Oh my God, y'all look. Girl, look at the hairline. Look at the lace on this thing. So gorgeous. And guys, these are the gorgeous curls. This is gonna be the elastic band. So your unit will come with these additional combs. So you'll have the combs in the back. Okay, y'all, that was too easy. Oh my goodness, that was way too easy. Guys, we're done with the wig review. Oh my goodness. Y'all look at this gorgeous unit. Oh my gosh, that was way too easy, but what I'm gonna do is just go around and just kind of, you know, pull some of the hairs out because I really want everything to be away from my face. Girl, this was too easy. All right, guys, so let's get into the specs of this gorgeous unit, guys. This is 5x5 blend away lace. So this is HD. It is also by knots because they do not, I mean, when I tell you the scalp is so realistic, there are no knots. So everything on this wig is pre-done. So again, it's pre-bleached, pre-curled, no knots, as well as pre-curled. But what I'm gonna do is just kind of shape the curl a little bit. But y'all, this is 24 inches curled. And by the way, this is a body wave unit. But look how long this unit is. What I'm gonna do though, because I do love how pretty the curls are, I'm just going to brush the curls to kind of loosen them up a little bit. And also I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of cut it a little bit just to give it a little bit of shape around the front of my face. The first thing I want to do is put a little bit of edge control right here just to kind of get the those little hairs out of the way. All right, girls, this is the perfect wig for my corporate bombshells that are on the go. So you can just wake up in the morning and put this on, and then overnight, if you wanted to, you could add a few little pin curls in it. That way it still has its shape, its body, and its volume. Or you could also flat iron this all the way out. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is such a gorgeous unit. All right, so now that we've added the edge control, I'm just gonna kind of go in the front and just, you know, swerve everything with my finger. You don't have to do this, but I just want to kind of reshape it a little bit just right here. Now that I kind of have the front laid the way that I want it, I'm just going to go in with my wig grip spray. Guys, this is my absolute favorite adhesive. I love this. This is also a glueless unit. And then as far as getting the scalp the way that I want it, I'm just gonna go in with some of my foundation. Some of my concealer. And just to make sure that everything is precise, I'm just gonna put a little bit on the tail of my comb. I'm sure you can see that. And then y'all, I'm literally just going to go in and just lay the comb against my scalp. And that's pretty much it. And then I'm just gonna kind of drag it like that. Y'all, look how clean that looks. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna repeat it until I get my desired results. Okay, so we have that done. I think I want to add just a little bit more, and that's because y'all, the lace on this is so fine, which is that's a good thing. UNice is known for their lace on their units, so you want your lace to be really, really fine on your unit. That is kind of like a way to determine the quality of a good unit, is by how thin the lace is. And this lace is super thin. It's perfect. Guys, remember, the thinner the lace, the more natural your unit is gonna look. Okay, so that's perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is add a few layers, but we're only gonna be cutting this one piece right here. And it's gonna be just a very, very light layer, just something that will softly just frame my face. So I want the layer to be kind of long, so I'm actually gonna start about 2 inches below my chin, and I'm just gonna cut at a downward angle. And that's it. So guys, I only cut this much off of the unit. You don't want to, you don't want to cut into this too much. And look at the difference that made. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Again, we want to start about 2 inches below the chin area, and you just want to cut down at an angle. And that's it. Okay, so now, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It just laid effortlessly.
Drifting on a memory. Ain't no place I'd rather be than with you.
All right, girls, so this is the hair curl. So let's go ahead and pull the curls out. Oh, baby. Oh my gosh. I need to stop acting so surprised. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous, y'all. And I think I only put about maybe 6 to 8 curls in here. I cannot believe that this is a closure wig either. Like, look at that. Y'all, this really is giving frontal, but it's so pretty. The curls are so juicy and so bouncy. All right, guys, so this is the finished results. Guys, this unit is so pretty. It is just gorgeous. It really is kind of like the 2025 edition of the corporate baddie, the bombshell baddie. It's so pretty, y'all. Let me stand up. So this is basically how your unit is gonna look. If you want to add a few more curls, what I'm gonna do is make sure I leave everything in the description box. Guys, if UNice is gracious enough to offer us an additional discount code off of this beautiful unit, I'll link that information below as well. Once again, I would like to thank UNice Hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
We don't know what we're made of. The same thing we're afraid of might improve. We stay up all night, just lay up. Use half what is best up to make moves.